Good morning, all of you. Me from Trisita Engineering. Today is my second video. Already, first video already I shared with you. Today is my second video. I'm going to show you about the Autodesk Civil 3D software. Is a BIM software about the BIM software. Okay. Who is not watched my first video already have can see my first video first, and today already have a second video. I'm going to show you today sessions. First of all, we know that the civil 3D is actually used for the road and the survey and the mines and the rail and alignment and cross section and the volume calculations over here. You can see that now today's session we're going to show you about the civil 3D, why we get when you install the city, why we get the Matrix India and the Imperial over here. Okay, when you install the software, they already ask with you if you want to use the Indian codes or Matrix or Imperial. Everywhere in the country, there are the different codes are using of the civil 3D over here. Okay, if you are in India, we have to use the Indian code over here. As for the road and the rail design, any road designs and the road alignment for the super elevation, we have to use the IRC code over here, right? Because civil 3Ds come with the basics of the ASTUs over here, and we have to use the IRC code over here, Indian IRC code over here. Anyone who is using over here in the matrix, you can use on the matrix over here, or you can use over here Imperial also. But now we are going to use an Indian IRC code over here. Then we have to go to the Indian desktop icon over here. We have to click over Indian desktop icon over here. Okay. Now the Civil 3D has already come, so 21 and 22 versions today. We're going to use the 21 versions of our Civil 3D. The first sessions already I show you the how to bring the import the data over here, survey data, and convert to a files. Okay, to today's sessions we're going to show you how to create a profile over here, and after creating a profile, how to uh, setting the profiles over here, how to getting the styles of the profile over here. First of all, when you open the Civil 3D over here, already you can see the ribbons over here. So first session already I show you how to import your data from here to bring the survey data and can import and can make a convert to a surface. Today I just directly to the surface over here to just to go to the surface. Any surface bring any surface data you have to bring, you have to create a name over here. Okay, any name. You can create a name from here also, surface, and create name. Otherwise you go to the directly to the surface and create surface. Asking for the name over here, you have to create a name over here. Okay. Just to create a name over here, surface, I just select the surface and getting the name of the RL. Suppose I giving the name RL. Okay, any styles, see the styles is already over here, styles and rendering materials over here. If I want to create any styles over here, the contour style by over here is contour giving the 1 meter and the 5 meter designs over here, default styles over giving the default styles over here. When you click on this styles dialog box, this box will be open, and when you click so to create a new styles over here, first to create a styles over here, this select surface styles dialog box will be open here. See already defaults over here. This is a different why the way using the contour 1 meter by 5 meter arrows, contour 1 meter by 5 meters over here, 0.5 meters a background over here. So why you use different contours or the styles over here? Well, many one asks me why sir we are using all these types of contour styles over here. What the styles means over here? What the we use these styles? Okay, this means what the styles your settings for the over here. Okay, name whatever name you can give over your styles. What the name if you want to give over your styles over here. Okay, and the major contour and the minor contour, how much you want to keep the contour styles over here. Okay, first I'm going to show you how to create your own styles over here. Just to create and create new. If you want to modify your styles, you go to the edit current selection, which selections you already have, and just select the edit current selection. You can do modify. But today I'm going to show you the create new. I just to create new over here. Please don't forget to like my video. Okay, anyone who is still not like my video, please subscribe and like my video. Any question if you're going to ask me, you're going to ask me, already given over here there for the civil 3D. So I just to go to the informations over here, informations, and we have to give the name over here. Suppose I giving the name over here, any styles, I just making the styles over here. Okay, Suppose I giving the styles over here, tr. I giving the name over tr1. Okay, tr201 I have given the styles over here, 201 over here. You can give the styles like name also. Suppose tr10. Okay, I can understand this is my 10 meter by 5 meter. Or can give the 10 meter by 5 meter, whatever name you can give over 10 meter by 5 meter, whatever you can give over. Okay, contour style. Okay, so already give this my name. Then when you go to the borders over here, you can see the border, the border properties over here, 3D geometries. Use the surface elevations. You can click on the use the surface elevation, flatten elevation or engage elevation. This I come to the later. What I this flatten elevation, the engage elevations over here. Okay. Keep watching my video. Again the next video will be going to share with you all the you. And then contours over here, contours already have given here contour smoothing. If you want to make a contour smoothing, we'll make a smooth contour from here. Okay, any contour smoothing if you need to make a contour smooth. Today the already contours are already showing you the contour false. That means contour, this the contour smoothing is already off over here. Now when you click over here contours true, see the smoothing contours has comes over here. One thing remember, when you're using the contour smoothings over here, that means you're what the elevation you are getting of the correct elevation. That sometimes I have the, when you putting the contour smoothing, the elevation will do not comes to the correctly way. Okay, so you have to move off the contours. If you need the correctly way the changes, you have to make this off. Other if you want to need to contour the smoothing, you click on auto true and just make it the contour how much smoothing you need a contour over here. Next, contour interval. What the contour interval you want to give here? Minor interval and the major interval. Suppose I given the minor interval and the major interval is over 5 and 10 over here. So this the minor and major intervals already comes over here. If you want to change the contour minor and major interval, you can change from here. Suppose I given the 0.5 over here. So already change over here contour minor and the major intervals over here. Okay. Next, grid options. If you want to put the grid something grids over here on the surface, that will show you later how to make a grid and how to put the grids here. Points, triangulations, watersheds I come in later over here. Analyze also I come in later over here. Slopes, arrow, and the elevation and descriptions. Now the display, what you want to display over here? I just to display this my border. This is my border, major contour, and the minor contour I want to display over here. Any color, if you want to change any color over here, you can go to the color options. Any color option, if you want to go to the color option, you can change the color over here. What the colors you need over here? Any color option if you want to change over here. Okay, so any color if you need over here, want to change the color, you can go to the color options and change what color you need over here. Apply and okay. See, the already has come, my style has come, my what the name has given, my style has come. So I have to select my styles over here. Okay, see what the styles name has given away. This is the styles I have. Now when you come to the rendering material, what the rendering materials you want to give over here. Okay, so I just contour 1 meter by 5 meter design. What the rendering materials already showing on the default rendering material. What the default rendering material you want to give away. Highway post, sign raised away the streets, straight work paving over surfacing helper. So what the you want to give, just select anyone and just click OK over here. Then click OK. Now you can see the name has displaying over here. The see the what the name has given of the surface has name is displaying over here. Now you can bring the data from here also. Otherwise you can go to over here. Just bringing the data from the ribbon. Go to the modify surface and add data and click on the point file. When you click on the point file, now the location where the file is here, I just to go to the add imports and which location already your file is. I have the locations over here, ground point data. I just select my this data and click open. Then when you open these files, you already import the file over here. You need this filtering. So what the filtering I'm going to say you, if you have the Excel sheet and is coming the string and nothing, you have to select the string nothing. If the nothing is there, you have to select the nothing string and descriptions elevations over here. So I have a point string and nothing elevation descriptions. I have to select this one and click OK. Now data already so you can comes over here. See the already data comes over here. Now you can see the control data comes over here. I have select this one and click over your object view. Now you can see the surfaces comes already away. What the color have selected, what the things is already has changed over here. Okay. Now if you want to say the conceptual, you are just watching on the conceptual. What the materials are given, you have to go to the realistics. Now you can see the what the materials has given over here. Okay. Realistics. Realistic, you can see the what the actual materials are given over here. It's already over here shading with edge. Edge is showing over here. Edge is showing. And when you come to the shades only the shades will going to show you. Only the shades. Only the shades you can see all the shades you can see over here. Any shades. Or the shades you can watch over here. Okay. And when you come to this conceptual, this conceptual hidden line, this is hidden line. What the hidden lines are over here. And when you come to the 3D wireframe, this is 3D wireframe, the triangulation is going to show you. All the triangulation is going to show you which place already have the triangulations. Okay, now if you want to see the triangulations here also on the model space, okay, to select the surface, click on the edit surface styles and click over here triangulations over here, triangulation. Now you can see the triangulations over here also. All the triangulations you can watch over here. To first go to the edit surface style, just to go to the edit surface style, and you can see the triangulation over here. And just off these triangulations. Now if you want to off the border over here, border of the outer border, just to select over here and the off the layer over here, outer border. Now no outer border is showing over here. See, not displaying the outer border. Again I just select this one, edit surface styles, and displaying the outer border. Now I can display the outer border. This is how. See. Now elevation editor is actually already over here. If you want to see the elevation, which place have the elevations over here. Now which place you need the elevation and you want to check the elevations over here, elevations editor, and the slopes arrow and the designs all will come into the third video which I'm going to create on the third, and very soon I'm going to give you the third video over here. So please, my request to you, all of you, sir, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, we are from the Trisita Engineering LLP. Okay, so any problem, any types of you can ask the question on the site. Okay, my number and my company name has given all of you. Please contact us, and any types of help you need, any types of help, please contact us. And please, my request to again and again to subscribe my channel. Please click, please like my channel. Okay. Now, if you want to make a label over here, so suppose I just select the surface and just go to the over here, add contour multiple interval. I just select the contour multiple interval and just drag the surface on the over here and see the labeling is showing over here. All the place the labeling is showing over here. It will take a little bit time to contour labeling over here, just for the machine configure also requirement when you have the Civil 3D with you. Okay. Installing the Civil 3D, you need a minimum say 16 GB RAM. If you're going to work on the for the project also, 16 GB RAM required for the best work on. Civil 3D, you know that the Civil 3D is come with not only the Civil 3D, is already included with the AutoCAD 2D and the 3D also, and the planning analyze. Okay, I, I will keep sharing my video for every week, and you can watch my video and please like my video. Please don't forget to see my first video. Already have shared my first video. First time when I first starting my video from the first basic video. We from Trisita Engineering LLP. The labeling is going on over here. I just to give the contour multiple interval for the major contour and the minor contour. All the labeling will come on the contours over here. It will display with you. It will take a little bit time on the contour over here. I just to say because lots of software has loaded in my machines over here. Okay. That's why it's taking a little bit time to putting the labeling on the every contours over here. every contour. It will taking a little bit time to putting the every contours. Now can you see the already has level everywhere, the contour leveling over here. Every contour you can see the level over here. See, I just zoom in over here. Now you can see the every contours has getting the level over here. But the place where you don't have the contour leveling over here, this place, see already have select here. If you need this place where no contour but I want to give the level over here, go to the add levels and put the spot elevation over here. Now when you put the spot elevation over here, now you can see the labeling over here. Any contour here getting the level. Because why labeling on this place? See, when you putting the outer is no surface over here, because this area has already converted to a surface. Now you put anywhere just to place leveling, you can come to the everywhere leveling. Thank you for all of you watching my video. Please subscribe my video very. Okay. Thank you very much.